Hey, this is Christy Neistat from Raleigh Brewing Company, and I'm going to introduce you to a beer cocktail we have called the Bell Tower with a cucumber twist. And it's a nice little summer flavor, so all you need is a 6-pack of our Bell Tower Berliner Weiss and a cucumber. So first what you do, it's very easy, super simple. Just go ahead and add a little Bell Tower to your glass. Might need a little bit more. That one. And about so, it's really whatever you're in the mood for. And then you add some cucumber. So it's pretty much whatever it is to your liking. You can go ahead and add as much or as little as possible, whatever you like. And then just put a little bit of slice on the side of your glass. Enjoy. Cheers.